All right, let's talk about the improved behavior of weldments, specifically cut lists, in OpenBOM beginning April 2021. So let's make a BOM of a weldment. Here's a simple weldment in Solidworks. There is a weldment assembly with a weldment item, a part in the list, and all the bits and pieces that go in the weldment. So up to this point, if we built a BOM, we would give you all the bits and pieces, whether you wanted them or not. So the default behavior has changed. So now if you build a BOM of something and encounter a weldment somewhere in your product structure, I'm going to ignore all the little bits and pieces underneath it and give you just the weldment as the box as a line item. So I'm going to kind of switch back here. We'll see we have a single item here, weldment box. It's going to show up in our bill of material as a single line item with its description and everything else that comes to OpenBOM, as well as a thumbnail image. Okay, so in the event that I do want to see all those bits and pieces in the cut list, I have a new setting available to me in OpenBOM settings, which is include weldment cut list as sub-assemblies. I'm going to turn that on. And let's go build the BOM again. Okay, so now let's take a look at our bill of material. We have cut lists included turned on, and we see in multi-level, we get our same line item, our weldment, and we get each individual item in the cut list. So that is the new setting, new OpenBOM setting for include weldment cut list as subassembly.